I posted one YouTube short every single day, and this is what happened. Like last time, the rules were simple. Number 1, I had to create a brand new channel. Number 2, I had to pick a specific niche. And number 3, I had to post one YouTube short every single day for 30 days. Spoiler alert, I broke rule number 3. Again. And after 0.420 seconds, I knew exactly what my new niche should be. Gary V. I might regret that later, and I chose him for one very important reason. But first, I needed a channel name. After researching several short channels and Gary V, I learned 2 things. Number 1, I had to include his name. Number 2, I had to make sure that the audience knew what to expect. Daily V Clips. By the way, I'm actually very proud of that name, and I might just trademark it. Jokes aside, I wasn't done yet because I still needed a logo and a banner, but I needed to do some thinking first. So I googled Gary V, found the best picture, downloaded it, opened Canva, 1080 by 1080, transferred the photo, removed the background, lowered the brightness, added some contrast, removed the saturation, added a red background, added text, Daily V Clips, the bold font by the way, and my logo was complete. And then I made this beautiful banner. So I made my channel and this happened. Just kidding. Or am I? I separated the video production into stages. Stage 1, research. This is the easiest part because the only thing I did was go on Gary V's main channel and find a video, preferably podcast style. Stage 2, note taking. After I found a video, I watched a whole thing at 1.5 times speed to find the best parts. And if the video was lacking, then I chose another video. I constantly paused and took notes of timestamps to look back at later, and this might look like unnecessary work, but it was worth it in the end. After I finished all the notes, I downloaded the clip. You can use any YouTube to MP4 converters, but my favorite was Video Keeper, except there was a download limit and they took forever to download, so I switched to YT1S. The only problem was the quality. It's 720p, but honestly, it works. And out of a 45-minute video, I was able to get 25 pieces of content. Supposedly. In reality, less than half were usable. Stage 3, video editing. I'm not going to show you how I edited and added subtitles manually, but just know it took a very long time. A few days ago, I found out there's this program that generates subtitles for you, so I've been using Captionator, and it's literally saved me thousands of hours. Okay, not thousands, but you get the point. But this only works for Final Cut Pro, and it isn't 100% accurate. It'll do. You can also use Captionator for this. Stage 4, uploading. Okay, fine. This is the easiest part, and I don't think I have to explain much here, but I uploaded videos. Sometimes 2 a day, sometimes 1 a day. And when October came, I will admit I did miss a few days. But in total, from September 14th to October 14th, I posted 45 YouTube shorts, which averages to 1.5 shorts a day. Yes. Results. So looking at my analytics, my results weren't as expected. My most viewed short was 8,713 views, which was about 45% less than what I got when I posted my Gary V shorts on this channel. I gained 70 subscribers. What could I have improved? Titles. For starters, I don't think my titles were all that interesting. I mean, I had quotes for titles, which some did well, but others not so much. Video. Maybe some of the timestamps I chose weren't all that great, and I could have also dove deeper and looked at older videos instead of just recent ones. Niche. The other thing could be the influencer himself, but I don't want to blame my boy Gary, because he has a huge following, and there are other channels doing way better than this one that's specifically dedicated to Gary V. Length. I will say I definitely did try to make videos as short as possible since it made editing much faster, and as you could see, my longest video was 30 seconds and my shortest was 5. On average, my videos were 13.3 repeating seconds, and yes, I did do the math to find that out. So I think this channel definitely has potential, but it just needs more time. Literally, surprise. So if you stayed this long and you're wondering where these analytics came from, as you know, they're not mine, but they're actually from a viewer. A month ago, someone reached out and we started talking, and eventually he made a YouTube channel and started posting shorts right around the time when I started too. And he had no experience in editing, but he still managed to pump out awesome quality and killer titles, much better than mine. And in 1 month, he was able to go from 0 all the way to over 1 million views and over 1,000 subscribers. That's crazy. And I promise not to reveal his channel, but all I can say is that his motivation is niche. All I can say is his niche is motivation. But there was an issue he ran into, which was copyright. Almost all his videos were copyrighted, but I tried to help him, so hopefully his videos aren't going to be copyrighted anymore. So if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel or a YouTube Shorts channel, now is definitely the best time. And halfway through my challenge, some very important news came out regarding YouTube Shorts. So previously, and we still do, have the YouTube Shorts fund, but for 2023 they're going to go ahead and change that and implement the YouTube Partner Program on Shorts. All you need is going to be 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views, which is going to be in a 3-month span. I know this seems far, I know this seems out of reach, but all you need is one YouTube short to go viral, and then you'll be ready for 2023, just like he will be. Anyway, I hope you liked this video and got some value out of it, and I also want to thank everybody for subscribing. I can't believe I gained this many subscribers in the past month, because I remember before when I first started, it was literally at like 1 subscriber for the whole year. Then the following year, it was 1 subscriber, and then everything just started growing this year. So again, I want to thank all you guys for supporting me and subscribing, and if you aren't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.